Hi everyone, Deb here. Welcome or welcome back. And today is Thanksgiving in the United States, so happy Thanksgiving. This is Deck the Year, hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. And I am presenting to you in a moment weeks 47, which was November 21st, and 48, which is today, November 28th. And yes, I did these this morning on the 28th. Now, I had found this beautiful napkin and I was going to decoupage. That was my plan from like a week ago. But I'm a little short on time today, so I didn't have time to allow it to dry. So I went a little simpler, but I hope you'll enjoy them anyway. So I used paper scraps actually and one cut apart from the Cartabella Paper Company Fall Fun. I've been using a lot. I didn't use the stickers from there though. I did use some stickers out of this harvest stickers, which I am positive I got at Target. Oh, it doesn't say, does it? Yes, Target. Uh, and like years ago, 2017, and that's probably when I got it. And then on the first card, I got these off a clearance rack from Stampin' Up! In December 2018. I used this color. I have no idea what that color is, but it's sparkly and pretty glitter enamel dots. And then also these were an online special that's since retired. I think 2018 or 19. One second. Um, I don't know. Anyway, it's different blues. They look like that. Well, not like these. These got stuck on here by accident. But like all those pretty blues. So I used one of the lighter shades, I think sort of like this one, on the second card. So let me just show you. I did not do the backs of the cards yet, and I don't know if I will. But so here's the first one, and you can see week 47, this was for November 21st, and I put due fall or Thanksgiving. So I found this cut apart and I fussy cut around it in that paper. This is a punch, the Stampin' Up! Decorative Circle Punch, which I could be wrong, but I think that's retired. This was a piece of paper scrap out of that pad. These are stickers out of that Target sticker thing. And this is this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, which I'm sure I got on sale at some point. Probably a fall sale or something. And on this, I took one of these, only in Cajun Craze, and went around the edges and also splatted it. And I just put 2 leaves out of this booklet and 2 acorns and 3 of the jemmies in the other spaces. So that's the first one. And then the second one, I had all these little scraps of various papers. So I collaged it. There's a bigger kind of sheet of, no, I didn't. There was a long piece of this and this here are the same piece. This long piece was there. There was another little piece I put down here similar to that, but a little smaller. This was a long strip. The red buffalo check kind of thing only goes up to about there. And this was a little strip. It was a little longer than that. And this is a square. So I put that down. I put that down, this piece down, and then this little piece here was also a little bit longer strip. 2 pumpkins out of the sticker pack, the turkey out of the sticker pack, because it is Thanksgiving and I am so grateful for everything in my life right now. Yeah. And then these are 5 of those jemmies because the turkey has blue in it, and I edged that in a color called Misty Moonlight with the brush end of that. These are water-based markers, Stampin' Right they call them. I don't have them all, but I have quite a few. Some of them are so old now they're getting dried up, but I use them. I use them mostly for edging and splattering, and once in a while, doing something else. But anyway, that's it, and that was week 48, 11/28, Thanksgiving. turkey, question mark, and thanks. So there you go. Oh, so grateful and give thanks in all things. So those are my deck the year for the week 47 and 48. And I hope you all have a wonderful Thursday and a wonderful Thanksgiving, regardless of what you're doing, whether you're alone and just have a peaceful day or and get to do some crafting maybe. Or if you're going to be with family and friends, if you're spending the whole day cooking. I am not. I'm going to my daughter's at 4 p.m. today for Thanksgiving meal at 5. I just have to make one thing and I'll get all my morning stuff out of the way and I'll make that early afternoon and then we'll go, my son and I together. It has been raining this morning, but apparently it is supposed to stop by 12 or 1, something like that. So that's good. And it won't be quite so cold as it has been. And on a positive note, I got a 2.6-mile walk in yesterday. Yay! And that was thanks to my daughter. We went to a trail we visit frequently and it was beautiful. So anyway, I hope you have a beautiful day too. Hugs, love, and peace. Happy Thanksgiving.